Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best Grey Duvet cover on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Nestle Grey Duvet Cover. The Nestle Grey Duvet cover is the perfect bedding solution for anyone looking for a way to keep their bedroom cool and comfortable. Its microfiber construction is both durable and lightweight, offering users a breathable yet cozy duvet cover set. With a 110 GSM microfiber fabric and double brushed finish, this duvet set is sure to keep you warm without trapping into much heat. This 3-piece set comes with 1 duvet cover and 2 pillow shams, 1 sham for twin sizes. What we like about it: machine washable, easy to put on and take off, super soft, strong button closure. What we don't like about it: maybe too thin for some. Number 2. Bedsure Grey Duvet Cover. The Bedsure Grey Duvet cover will give you a luxurious and comfortable sleep experience. Crafted from premium microfiber fabric, this duvet cover is exceptionally soft for an incredibly cozy night's sleep. Its lightweight construction makes it suitable for use all year round. In addition to its comforting coziness, its solid hue adds an extra element of personalization to any room's decor. Plus, the neat stitching ensures durability and color will not fade, even after many washes. What we like about it: soft and comfortable texture. Has lots of other colors to choose from. Easy to put on duvet. What we don't like about it: runs a little on the small side. Number 3. Utopia Bedding Grey Duvet Cover. The Utopia Bedding Grey Duvet cover is an ideal item for anyone looking to update the look of their bedroom and enjoy a comfortable night's sleep. This 3-piece set, 2-piece for twin sizes, includes a duvet cover with a zippered closure and 2 pillow shams with a 2-inch flange that adds a classic decorative detail. The duvet cover set contains ultra-soft brushed microfiber that is breathable and cool to the touch. The fabric is even double brushed on both sides for softness and durability. Plus, its strength makes it resistant to rips and tears, while its fine fibers remain wrinkle-free after washing. What we like about it: soft to the touch, fade-resistant, affordable price, can choose from several sizes. What we don't like about it: the zipper may not stay closed. Number 4. Bare Home Grey Duvet Cover. The Bare Home Grey Duvet cover is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to upgrade their bedroom decor. This duvet cover set contains 100% polyester microfiber fabric and has Bare Home's exclusive hydro brushed finish. This innovative hydro brush process helps give the cover superior durability and softness that won't rip or tear. The set also features a refreshing design that will easily complement any existing bedroom decor. The duvet cover includes corner ties and a hidden closure so the comforter fits snugly inside without shifting. What we like about it: soft, yet durable. Covers most oversized comforters. Resistant to pilling. What we don't like about it: colors may differ from product photos. Number 5. M&Meagle Grey Duvet Cover. The M&Meagle Grey Duvet cover is an attractive and comfortable way to update your bed with hotel-quality luxury. This duvet set comes with 100% stone-washed seersucker microfiber on one side and 100% stone-washed microfiber on the other, giving it a textured feel perfect for keeping you warm and cozy during the winter months. The duvet cover set includes 2 pillowcases, 1 for twin size, and features a simple, yet durable zipper design with 4 corner ties to keep it in place. What we like about it: lightweight and comfortable. High quality and durable material. Easy to care for. Beautiful, textured design. What we don't like about it: more expensive than similar options. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.